So Trump just bombed Venezuela. And after reading why, I decided to show my support for fellow Venezuelans by supporting the restaurants. But I couldn't find a single Venezuelan restaurant in Shanghai. So today I'm going to make Venezuela's national dish at home and I'm going to review it. And here we go. So according to online resources, Venezuela's national dish is pabellón criollo. And the word pabellón means flag or banner. And criollo means local or Creole. So the dish got this name because the ingredients represent the colors of the Venezuelan flag. That's nice. And for this dish, we will need some white rice. Oh, by the way, I've dated a guy from Venezuela, so he taught me some Spanish, some Venezuelan Spanish. And he's one of the greatest guys I've ever met. And I still have the list of words that he taught me. And I think white rice is arroz in Spanish. And we also need shredded beef. And beef is caliente, right? If I'm not mistaken. And tomato, black beans, plantain, red bell pepper, onion, and garlic. Okay, so the first step is we need to dice up all the ingredients and fry the garlic, onions, and bell pepper. Let's go. And at the same time, we need to boil some water and put the beef inside and let it boil for 30 minutes. And then we need to cook the rice. And after the rice is done, we need to saute the garlic, onions, and bell peppers. And when the onions and bell peppers are soft, we need to season them with loads of tomato puree and salt and other spices. And now the beef is done, we need to shred them. And now the last component, plantain. This is the final product. I couldn't find any black beans, so I skipped them. Smells really nice. Overall, I would give this dish a 7 out of 10. I'm only rating my own cooking because it definitely tastes very different from the authentic version. This is a dish that uses simple ingredients and simple cooking methods. It's nutritious, colorful, and meaningful. And to the people of Venezuela, I hope your food, your culture, and your everyday lives continue to be seen, respected, and protected.